You're watching Pawn It.
Hello, what can I do you for, huh?
Howdy, y'all. I'm trying to sell y'all some 500-year-old ice cream.
500-year-old ice cream?
Yeah, it's perfectly edible and it's retained its chocolatey taste.
All right, I'm gonna need a professional here. Yeah, I need you here now.
Did someone call a professional?
Have this famous document for you to look at.
Are you all right?
Yeah. Maybe.
You know what I need?
Let me guess. A professional?
Bingo.
So how much was you thinking?
Hold on, man.
Perfect.
So how much was you thinking, partner?
6 mil.
9.7 million.
7 mil.
You've got yourself a deal, partner.
Sounds great.
Hello there, dear children. Is this the Constitution?
Apparently.
I haven't seen this thing since I've served in Parliament. See, that man, his name was James Madison, but I think that's they won. The US was going to somehow happen to have the Senate, the rebel states. That was a very interesting day at Parliament. So, anyway, what was I called here for?
Wait, wouldn't that
So how much you thinking, old lady?
Let me get my spectacles. Ah, yes. Top of the line. 300 quid. Ta-ta!
Man, this is crazy. That much for this piece of junk?
300.
Absolutely not. 150.
200.
175. Not going higher.
You know what? Forget this. This is a scam.